Hey guys, what's going on? It's Breakout Bag Lunch here. Today is February 11th, 2026, and I have some good news and kind of some bad news as well. As you can see, today's a little bit unusual because I'm still in a trade while recording this, and I'm in a trade in the afternoon. Two things that are unusual. We'll talk about this trade in a moment, and then we'll talk about the Apex account and go from there. All right, we'll start with the great trade of the day, and this is just one of my favorite setups. We had, if we move this fib down up here, okay. So I'll just start off by saying that my bias for the day was actually bullish, just given where we were with VWAP. We did have this resistance area up here, which was concerning. If you look at the 1 hour chart, you can see that whenever we've gotten to this level, we've had big sell-offs. So I was bullish, but there were some conflicting signals. When we go down to the 1 minute chart, we can see that we had actually very strong bearish break of the 5 minute opening range at the beginning of the session. We had this little retest into this fib area, and if you notice, we're actually pretty far from view up at this point. Since we had this rejection here, my idea was just to sell near the VWAP, but man, this bearish trade would have been fantastic to hold, because price just kept going lower and lower and lower and lower. It was like it just didn't stop. But then we hit this area of support, and because we hit this area of support and we had such a strong move, I thought, well, maybe we'll go back up. So we did, and first I kind of got chopped up here. I was long, and then I was short, so I lost both of these two trades. But then I decided to get back into the longs, just because we couldn't move lower at this point. And as you can see, first this long trade was working out really well, but now, well, I'm kind of back to break even. So we'll see what happens. Putting my sell up here. This is a lot higher than I usually have my sells for a long, but let's see what happens. I think if we can build bullish momentum, it doesn't look like we're going to do that now, but if we can, then it shouldn't be any issue getting up to this point, since this is still below the 5 minute opening range. I took the bearish trade. Well, actually, no, I took a bullish trade on the Apex. I missed this bearish move on the Apex account, and I caught this move up, and that actually allowed me to pass the Eval. I have an Apex account set on privacy mode, but yeah, as you can see here, we have a $937.50 profit, and because of that, I was able to hit the profit target of $3,000. In fact, a little bit over $3,000. So yeah, looks like I'll be trading on Apex now as well and trying to get payouts on here, which is really exciting. I am struggling a bit to get the Topstep payout, which we'll talk about right now. Actually, I think I need to be more structured with my trading. Noticing that I'm kind of just taking trades. Other than the first trade of the day, I'm taking trades that I really shouldn't be taking, and I'm getting basically chopped up here, trying to go long and short. I should just pick one direction. What I'm also noticing is that I seem to be trading better on the evals than I do on the actual accounts, the live funded accounts. And I think that's because probably emotions are involved with the funded accounts, because you can't get a payout on an eval, but you can get payouts on funded account. So I think that's probably leading to me over trading. Definitely need to stay more focused and get this issue fixed before trying to size up. But I'll keep you updated on this trade. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it hits my profit target. I'm probably just going to walk away for the day and update this video with the result of the trade. But that's all I have for today. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know. But if not, well, have a great trading day, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.